that we harvested by machine. In the old days, we will use a sickle. So the sickle, look, when you go closer down, you see it very dry here, no water. Dry. And if you see one rice like this is from the flowers, young one, and now it's turned to the yellow, and it's hard in the seed. Each one about 30 or 40, depend. So we have a rice like this. In the old day, we use the sickle. So we cut between this. So this is called the straw. It could be underground, and they dried it out and they burn it for the next season. And this one, they bunches in the big bunch carry. Normally men will carry it. And at home in the old day, they will beat it in the rocks so that they separate the rice and the straw. And nowadays they have some machine, so they put it in the machine to separate rice and this. So this is rice, and you want to see they dry under the sun for a few days. So this all now by machine. It's faster, more convenient, more sufficient. So when you get all the rice seed out, here, you need to dry it. So this is a straw. Now they harvest by machine. After they harvest by machine, you can see that one here. They dried it for make a fire, or could be a food, grass for water buffalo. And inside those back here is the rice. They will carry home and dry it in the ceiling, dry it on the yard, communal house. After 3 or 4 days dry, they husky separate the dust out and store or selling. So we've been seeing from the beginning until the end of how the rice grow. The sickle and cut and bunch it all by hand. And now you see that 1, 2, 3 of them. One drive the machine, and 2 of them take care of the rice coming in the big bag. So each bag like this. Can you guess how weight?
50 pounds.
Yes. This one, no. This one is about 40 kilograms, 80 pounds.
80 pounds.
Anybody try to lift it up?
That's all rice, huh?
Yeah, this all rice inside. Okay.
Wow.
Ah!
Okay, that's heavy.
See, very heavy. This is about 80 and 100 pounds.
So this the straw they collect the bird.
Yeah, the straw they can collect. The straw they can dry it here. They collect for making fire, cooking at their house. The straw they feed the water buffalo. Or the straw they just leave here, dry, and then they burn it out when it dry for fertilizing for next season. They burn it to chase all the insects, also fertilize for the next season.